Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica, and today I thought it would be fun to show you how I put together this cute centerpiece. It's perfect for decorating for your Christmas tables. I also like to just leave it right here on my counter. I will show you how I put it together. It's super fast and easy.
So the first thing you need to do is gather a few supplies. My tiered tray came from Hobby Lobby this year, and it's just a 3-tiered white tray. I also have these cute little houses I got from the Target dollar spot. They are empty on the inside, so you could put a little faux candle inside so light was coming out. That'd be super cute. I also got these candles from Hobby Lobby. They came in a set. All of my Rae Dunn Pottery came from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and you kind of just have to go and search for them. They kind of come and go. I also gathered a few cinnamon sticks, some of these little spoons. These are super cute. I got these from Hobby Lobby this year as well. I also grabbed a large sprig of these red berries and then just cut off little pieces for however many I need. I like to do that at Christmas. I just throw them in candle holders and things like that. I did the same thing with a sprig of just this pine. It's dusted with some snow, and I just cut off a few pieces to stick in here. And then I gathered an assortment of pine cones. I also have this cute little lantern, which also came from Hobby Lobby this year, and this cute little tree. I like to get a couple of taller items, a couple of shorter items, and then some in between, and then I kind of alter them on all of the layers so you have a little bit more visual interest. Now that we have all of our supplies, let's go ahead and get started.
All right, guys, that was it. As you can see, this was super easy to put together. It was relatively inexpensive, and I will link everything that I can in the description box below, but pretty much all of it came from either Hobby Lobby, my Christmas stash in my basement, or Michael's, anywhere like that that you can get kind of your average Christmas decor. You can put together a cute little tiered tray like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.